Hi, it's Mike Delsignore. I'm outside Sommerville District Court. I want to answer a common question. What happens if you're involved in an OUI and there's an accident? Well, accidents happen all the time. They don't necessarily mean somebody's under the influence of alcohol. And we routinely win and have people found not guilty in accident cases all the time. Of course, we want to try to explain the reason for the accident, attribute it to something other than alcohol. Accidents can happen because someone's tired, because you're looking at your phone, your GPS. Somebody else on the road could have affected your driving as well. So we want to see to what extent we can explain the accident. Sometimes we can't, and sometimes there's very little evidence other than the accident. If you did a field sobriety, those tests aren't necessarily going to be reliable because you could have been injured from the accident. If you went to the hospital, often there'll be very little evidence. It'll just be the accident, and you'll be transported to the hospital. In those cases, sometimes you get a clerk magistrate hearing where we can attempt to prevent the complaint from being issued on the grounds that there's no probable cause for the OUI, and argue that this is really just a negligent operation. If they take your blood at the hospital, I'm trained and I go to seminars, and I've been doing this for so many years that hospital blood draws aren't necessarily scientifically reliable. It's a serum, it's a test of an enzymatic reaction that really shouldn't be used in court. It's really more of a screening test for the hospital. So keep in mind that's not an accurate test, and some judges will exclude that from evidence. So if you're involved in an accident, feel free to contact me. I'll explain to you how I prevail and win these cases routinely in court. Often in an accident case, you're going to receive an immediate threat suspension. You might have to go to the RMV to try to get your license back, and I can walk you through that process. So if you have questions about an OUI in Sommerville with an accident or any OUI, feel free to contact me. My name is Michael Delsignore. It's never too late, too early to call on the weekends, holidays. My number is 781-686-5924. You can even text at that number.